Have you dreamed of real wealth, the kind that creates passive income for life? The desire for financial freedom is a powerful dream, and for many people, real estate investing has become the most trusted path to achieve it. Because what often stops them dead in their tracks is a paralyzing feeling of fear and a completely overwhelming sense of debilitating confusion. This is a world of staggering complexity, where the stakes are higher than they have ever been, and our very future hangs in the balance. With stakes this high, there is no room for error. A single mistake could be devastating, and it can feel like your whole world is on the line. With a world of possibilities laid out before you, the single most important question you can ask is also the simplest. Where do you begin your journey? Inside the book on rental property investing, you will find the complete blueprint for creating financial freedom and building your real estate empire. We're going to build a simple and effective step-by-step system from the beginning, showing you exactly how each part works so you can master it. Learn the full process, from finding incredible deals to securing financing and then mastering the art of managing your properties for long-term success. Let's begin this exciting journey to financial freedom together and start by exploring the very first idea that will set us on the right path. Idea 1. Rental property investing. You can boost returns with leverage by borrowing money to buy properties, which greatly magnifies your potential for substantial financial gains. This is your hustle for higher profits. Use your time and knowledge to network research and discover the very best deals you can possibly find. To find one great deal, you might have to analyze 100 properties and make 10 offers. The search is a numbers game where your persistence is key. Inexpensive properties can be dilapidated and disastrous. But don't worry, as they say in the business, a terrible smell is the smell of money. Fixing a leaky roof or updating an old layout is an investment. These repairs and renovations will be more than offset by the property's appreciation. Wealth is built in 4 ways: property appreciation, positive cash flow, tax savings, and your tenant helping with the loan pay down on your mortgage. Investing isn't always easy. It's a slow path, and dealing with bad contractors, difficult tenants, and late rent can be very tough and draining. For investors, constant record keeping is a challenge, so immaculate bookkeeping and solid organization are your most essential tools for success. To avoid failure, you must educate yourself. Read books, listen to podcasts, and learn the numbers before you decide to jump into this new industry.
Before we continue the video, let's be honest about reading. If you're a visual learner, trying to force your way through a book can be painful. Reading a full book can feel impossible because your brain craves visual stimulation, and words on a page just don't provide that spark. But with the BookWatch app, you can absorb an entire book in just 15 minutes with our animated book summaries. We create engaging visuals that match exactly how your brain works for thousands of books. Start learning the way your brain is truly meant to. Download the BookWatch app free with the link in the description, or search BookWatch in the App Store. Also, if you are enjoying our free content on YouTube, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Idea 2. Patience and hard work equals success. Real estate can make you successful, but achieving your goals and getting more possessions requires a lot of hard work and dedicated effort. Don't be mistaken. Real estate can bring significant changes to your life, but only if you are willing to put in the necessary effort first. Investing in rental properties requires a whole new mindset. You'll have to completely change how you look at life, your finances, and property itself. Your life is yours to create, so build a future that is uniquely your own, not the path suggested by your parents or the media. Creating your new future means you must break free from old routines and forge an original and deeply personal strategy for your own success. Real estate investing is a powerful way to build your wealth and a low-stress financial alternative that can replace a traditional job. There is no limit to what you can achieve when you invest the time and effort that's required to constantly learn and grow in this rewarding field. Advance your career in competitive real estate by learning from experienced investors and using their invaluable advice to help you get ahead. Learn to create wealth with passive income and make money while you sleep by strategically investing in and holding real estate. Idea 3. Real estate requires knowledge and understanding to succeed. Investing in real estate is a challenge. Before you begin, it's essential to sharpen your marketing skills and knowledge to navigate the market. A strong desire to succeed is vital. You must learn to recognize the key qualities that make a specific property a truly lucrative investment. A major advantage is using leverage. You can take out loans to finance the purchase of additional properties without using all of your own capital. Borrowing from a bank lets you use their money to make huge profits instead of your own cash, so you can pay off your debts with all the earnings. The process of buying a home also gives you the valuable opportunity to stop and focus on long-term planning for your future financial goals. Compared to other businesses, owning rental properties doesn't have to be a huge time investment. It can become a great source of passive income. It's a simple concept to grasp. Anyone who understands the basic principle of buy low, sell high can start investing as soon as they are ready. With the right analysis, you can see where the real estate market is heading. This helps you predict how well your business might perform over time. Real estate helps you build wealth when you buy discounted properties, fix them up, and then sell them for a profit, making your investment grow. Once you master all of these concepts, from market analysis to leverage, you will have made significant progress toward becoming a real expert. Idea 4. The basics of rental investing. To succeed, you must first define your goals, because your mindset and the people around you will have the most significant impact on your journey. Knowing what's happening in your industry is crucial, and connecting with your peers gives you a clear and powerful competitive advantage. It's important to learn from the right sources. Books written by successful business people can teach you fundamental concepts to help you excel. Podcasts and online videos can help you learn more, while online forums are great for group learning and exchanging ideas with others. A solid plan is crucial for reaching your goals. Strategy and critical thinking help you avoid wasting time on things that don't move you forward. Understanding your why is crucial because it's the powerful motivation that will fuel your journey and keep you moving forward. The fourth step is getting the right asset. You need to avoid liabilities and focus on resources that perfectly align with your personal goals. A good asset grows in value and adds to your income. Your goal is to focus on acquiring these while decreasing obligations that take money away. Finally, you must protect and manage your assets. Rental properties are not passive. They always require consistent care and ongoing maintenance. You should always be aware of your financial situation. Regularly track your cash flow and how much your rental properties are actually worth. Idea 5. Owning a standard property model can increase wealth. The ideal property appreciates yearly and provides a stable monthly cash flow. You can buy it at a discount and later sell it for a solid profit. Investing $1 million in a multi-unit building is a smart long-term strategy, letting you recoup your initial investment in just 7 to 8 years. A realistic plan is crucial. You don't need a huge building for your first deal. Starting with a simple duplex is a smart, manageable first step. Your success in real estate heavily depends on the people you hire. Your team should provide actionable insights to help your business grow. Your partner is a valuable member of your team. Use books and resources to get them aligned with your goals for a powerful mental and emotional boost. Find a mentor who really pushes you toward your best self. Building a genuine friendship first is the key before you ever start talking business. A great real estate agent is essential. They expand your network and provide critical knowledge about the market and potential opportunities. A full team with an attorney, contractor's insurance agent, and an accountant is your greatest asset for success and for truly smooth operations. Idea 6. Investing in the right property is essential for success. Conducting your own survey is essential so you can find places with strong growth potential that don't hurt your current cash flow. Understanding your competition and the latest market movements gives you the essential knowledge to choose the very best properties to invest in. The best homes can seem more expensive than you thought, but don't be discouraged. A truly great deal could be just a little further away. Turnkey means managing a remote portfolio with a business partner. Their local knowledge can calm your nerves and ensure a smarter investment. A great agent knows the differences between property types like single-family homes, condos, and fixer-uppers, as each needs a different method. Location is just as crucial as the property itself. Areas are rated from A for the wealthy down to D for poor so-called war zones. Important factors to consider include the local price range schools and job market, along with road quality taxes, insurance and safety. Multiple listing services show all available homes, helping you find a great place. And for extra savings, you can search for distressed sales. Another great way to find properties is to drive around looking for homes that need work, or check online sites like Craigslist and BiggerPockets. Idea 7. Marketing and negotiating are essential for landlords. As an investor, you can negotiate yourself or use a reliable agent to help you secure a fantastic final price for your valuable property. A serious offer proves your commitment with clear and specific terms. This includes your proposed price payment details and a firm closing date. The buyer must understand their financing options and agree to a set amount. This includes having a contingency plan if they can't get the money. Once you make an offer, the seller will need to negotiate. They have the option to accept it, reject your terms, or provide you with a counteroffer. Always conduct a thorough property inspection before you start negotiating. This ensures the property meets your needs at the price you offer. When asking for a price reduction based on an inspection, maintain a professional attitude. Never approach the negotiation grudgingly or with anger. You can fund a purchase by borrowing from private lenders or portfolio lenders. You could even use your own money or partner with other people. Bank loans are another key source of funding, but you must know how they work. Learn everything about the bank's specific rules and procedures. Showing lenders you're reliable with a trustworthy and verifiable history is absolutely essential for your loan application to be approved. Before you sign any loan agreement, make sure you've read and understood all the terms and only proceed when you are in complete agreement. Idea 8. Real estate demands dedication and insurance. Assemble your team, an agent, inspector, and lawyer. They are crucial for vetting the property and reviewing the complex paperwork before you commit. Once you've closed the deal, it's time to get the property rent-ready. Contact your handyman and coordinate the redesign to attract good tenants. An LLC protects your personal assets by combining a corporation's liability shield with the simple flexibility of a partnership. After renting, you must manage the property. You can hire a professional manager or do it yourself, but it's a demanding, full-time commitment. Be prepared to give property management your all. This isn't a passive career. You can't afford to spend any significant time away from your property. Your tenants can be your greatest asset in caring for the property. Conduct thorough background checks before signing any lease to ensure a good fit. Before anyone signs, review every term and condition of the lease. Clear communication from the start prevents future misunderstandings and disputes. Do not let emotions interfere with collecting rent. Late payments are a deal breaker and should not be tolerated if you want a successful business. Your lease is a binding contract, and violations like unauthorized pets, guests, or property damage will always have consequences. When dealing with difficult tenants, you have options like offering cash for keys, starting an eviction, or simply choosing not to renew their lease. Idea 9. Managing your business well will ensure long-term returns. Investors use a 1031 exchange to swap properties and defer capital gains taxes, moving from high-maintenance to low-maintenance homes. This savvy financial move greatly reduces your management burden, letting you trade up your portfolio without an immediate tax penalty. Once your loans are paid, consider seller financing. You become the bank for the buyer, which can greatly help you boost your property sales. Protect your legacy for your loved ones by working with a professional to ensure your property can be claimed by your heirs when you're gone. A great property manager's key role is to increase the value of your holdings through consistent effort and smart investment in upkeep. Investing what's necessary to get your property in perfect condition is a smart move because those upgrades will directly boost your final returns. Once you have deep knowledge, use it to help others. Sharing your expertise can build your network and solidify your professional reputation. And this interest is more mainstream than you might think, as a 2012 survey showed over 28% of Americans consider themselves real estate investors.